In 2025-26, Harvard Medical School will be running its Clinical Scholars Research Training Program at Semmelweis University for the third year in a row, inviting applicants from the Central European region. Since 2023, almost 130 participants have enrolled in the program.
The structures of workshops was amazing. We had one symposium in Budapest, one online, and one in Boston.
Harvard Medical School's Clinical Scholars Research Training Program offers participants the opportunity to build their skill sets and earn a certificate upon completion of their studies.
I think it's a huge deal that world's leading scientists are giving us lectures. On small group sessions, we even had the chance to actually get to know them and work on workshop topics with their guidance.
In addition to exciting presentations, it was also an important experience for me that I could meet a lot of like-minded professionals. It had a great atmosphere, and these connections will mean a lot in the future, both personally and professionally.
The upcoming academic year will be the last chance to join under the current agreement. This outstanding learning opportunity is designed for early career clinicians, PhD students, postdoctoral fellows, and residents. If you want to develop your clinical research capabilities and knowledge through participation in Harvard Medical School's postgraduate medical education program, apply now to secure your place.